hoping you'd do it wrong.
10.
10.
1. Oh no! Oh no! Hey, what's up you guys? It's SHIRAAZ and welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a little different because we are Christmas orphans. Meaning that on this beautiful Christmas day, we are alone in New York City. So we decided to come together and we're doing Christmas together.
Yay!
To show you how sad our lives are, that's what we're gonna do on Christmas Eve. We're gonna play a made-up card games. Alexandra, Ashton, SHIRAAZ. Russian. Did I say it right? Russian.
No.
How do I say
it? Like proper Russian.
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 Russian?
Russian.
She's not doing ra.
Oh!
Okay, let it go. Let's move to more.
And you're American, I'm Mauritian. This is a multicultural crew right here in this house. Alright, so what are we playing? The game that you invented is called...
It's called doubles.
Mm-hmm.
You have to just keep rolling until you get doubles.
Okay, so do we use cards at all?
Yep.
Okay.
So I rolled a 6. So you're gonna do a 1, 2, 6.
Okay.
And then with those cards, you flip them over, and if you get any pairs, you put them together. With your pairs, you hide them.
Let's add on this, okay?
Yeah, okay.
I like it. So you roll a dice. That's the amount of cards that you can roll. Okay, This is 8. So I'm gonna.
And this is a real game.
1, 2, 3, and 8. And then I turn them. Dude.
Wait, you have to see if you have any pairs.
All right, this is a bust. So the person who has the most pair, we get to ask you to do something for us.
Yeah. We just invented a game.
Yes. Let's call the game
Servant.
the Ashirnova.
Okay.
Sure.
It's your name
Alright.
plus my surname.
The Ashirnova is.
You don't have to
beginning-
say it like that. You can say it normal. Ashirnova.
Ashirnova.
Never mind. You can't say it normal.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
The highest number goes first.
Roll with your right hand. 4. Draw with your left.
Wow, 8.
See how she does it?
Throw with the right, pick with the left. All sides are beautiful.
It's like you don't
think
eat food with your butt wipe in hand. You know what I'm talking
Ew!
about?
Wow.
You can cut that out, right?
Yeah.
Please.
I do have a pair though.
Oh.
Whoa!
Yes! Awesome, and I'm winning. No, I'm losing by winning.
Oh.
Yeah, you're losing by winning.
So now she has to
Plot
do
twist.
something.
Yes,
for
now
us.
you have to do something. What should we ask her to do?
Okay.
You have to teach us how to pause.
Pause.
Strike a pose.
It's like one thing.
pause. Okay.
So you have to know your angles. So
Not now. We have to change side now.
When you get up here.
Okay, no, but it's because I'm not very tall. No, wait, yeah, that's okay. No, don't.
Do you want some phone books? No, I'm kidding. They don't make those anymore.
First shot, I would put my head slightly down, up and down.
How do you do both of those at the same time?
Well, first one should be your spine should be very straight. No, your shoulders should be like back, chest up.
Maybe I could do this. Now I look strong and sexy.
Yeah, it's all about faking it in photo shoots.
Now what? Shut up! It was a hiccup burp. A herp.
Feel yourself sexy, beautiful,
Yeah.
sexy. So you kind of put your head down.
My hair? On my hair?
Everything down.
Okay.
And then you come back up. Yes! You feeling sexy yet?
Yes, I feel
Just don't do this, it doesn't look good.
Yes! Round. Do. My turn. Do I start? I thought she
just went.
I thought we went clockwise.
She
yeah.
did the thing.
Roll with the right.
I wasn't gonna remind you because I was hoping you'd do it wrong.
10.
10.
1. Oh no! No.
Slap. Can I really slap you?
Yeah.
No. No.
Yeah, you could. I'm a man. I can take it.
No. Don't slap. Don't slap. Don't slap. Don't.
Oh shit.
3.
Ha! You use your left and your right arm.
To flip it?
Yes.
No, I did it with my left hand though.
What?
You can't. You have to flip with 2 hands.
Fine. Well, I suppose Alexandra is gonna do something different.
Well, I've told you to pose. Dancehall.
Oh, Dancehall.
Dancehall.
Shake while you move my gear. Where you have on a fear. None of them can flop your show. Just wind up your body, girl, wind up your flow. Wine and show me, wine and show me. Bring it back, give me like a oh you owe me. Wine and show me, wine and show me. Look how she a wine and she not even know me. Wine and show me, wine and show me. Tonight you a go, you not go home lonely. Wine and show me, wine and show me. Wine and show me.
All right.
It's
I just
Shiraz's
lost.
turn.
It's
Yeah.
my turn.
You just
Wait,
taught me something.
But you do it again, right? Because she lost, so she starts.
No.
Oh, no?
You're sure.
I'm losing it.
Teach us something.
What do you want to learn?
You just have to teach us something. Teach us how to say something naughty and malicious.
You mean in Creole?
Creole, yeah.
Like dirty, good dirty? Like sexy dirty? Or like dirty?
Of course, yeah.
Dirty as in like nasty sewer smells and.
But is it like
Rats
the
and
sexy
disease.
sewer smell? Or is it like the sewer smell you want to get away from?
It's gonna be the other one.
Eh.
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 Chi ci è là?
Chi ci è?
No, no, che posizione?
Posiciona.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Eh. It's like, hey, how are you doing?
Posiciona. That has nothing to do with sexy sewer.
Okay, then it's gonna be Tenzolimin.
Tenzolimin.
Yes, it's camera.
What does it mean?
Tenzolimin.
It's like your sexy noodle.
Sexy noodle?
Yeah, but it's like a sexy chick.
Oh. 5.
What is he
He
doing?
wants you to pet him. He'll do that until you start petting him. Okay. I'm gonna use both hands, turn it over because that's what you're
That's what we're supposed to do.
Oh yeah!
You lost.
You got 1.
Yep.
Yeah, let's try to put it. Let's keep it on the table this time. Say 8.
I'm just laughing at him.
This is cashew. His little. Oh.
Oh, he wants everyone to have a
So his little rock.
Oh wait! I want a picture of this. Ha!
Give your paw.
Yeah! You're the best. I love you so much. Okay. Okay, so you lose.
Wait, no, I have to play now.
You were so good.
7.
You were so.
Triple.
one there?
I got
Wait, you got
triple.
triple too?
Yes.
But I have triple
And double. You're very excited to lose.
You know, I'm
Bless you.
the worst at the cards games. I'm losing all the time.
Bless
Bless you. Ew.
You know what? You already lost so many times. It's gonna be your turn to teach us
Wait, will you
something.
pass me a tissue, please? Will you pass me a tissue, please?
Me? Okay.
Thank you. Am I out of frame?
So you gotta teach us something because you lost.
No, I had the least amount of matches, which means I win.
No. Yeah, exactly. You win, so you lose.
To win, so they lose.
No, you just said
Get
you have
it?
the least, so you win.
No, you guys had the most, so you win, which means you lose. Get it?
But you have the least, so you win, so you
No,
lose.
I'm gonna teach you how to say "Who's your daddy" in Korean.
You're lying.
It's Korean.
No, I know what you can teach us.
What?
You're gonna teach us acting, but using a cup of water with a straw in it and to a music. So it's gonna be a silent acting, but with music on it.
Interesting, because I have all of those things.
So there has to be music. Let's do this.
This is my homie, man.
So this was it, guys. This was the
Christmas orphans?
no the card game.
Oh, doubles. No, Ashirnova.
Ashirnova.
AKA servant.
If you guys thought that was good, that was funny, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below what you liked and what you want to see next. If you want to follow them, I'll post their Instagram and social media account in the section below. But otherwise, yeah, that's it. Bye.